In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check answers in Google Forms. To get started, open Google Forms in your web browser. Once you are there, locate the form you want to review. You might find it on the Forms homepage under your recent forms or inside a folder in your Google Drive. Click the form to open it, and wait for the editor to fully load so you can see the tabs across the top. Next, move to the area where Google Forms stores and displays submissions. At the top center of the form, click the tab labeled Responses. This is where all incoming answers are collected. If your form is actively being used, the number of responses may appear near this tab, which can help you quickly confirm that entries have been received. Inside the Responses section, you will see different ways to view the answers, depending on what you need to check. If you want a quick overview, choose Summary. This view is designed to show overall trends at a glance. Google Forms automatically turns many question types into charts and graphs, so you can spot patterns quickly, such as the most common choices on multiple choice questions. This is useful when you are reviewing results for a group and you care more about the big picture than individual entries. If you want to focus on one prompt at a time, switch to Question. In this view, responses are grouped by each specific question. This makes it easier to scan how everyone answered a particular item, especially for short answer and paragraph questions, where you want to compare responses side by side. If you need to check each submission in full detail, select Individual. This view shows one complete entry at a time, exactly as it was submitted. To move through entries, use the previous and next arrows. This is the best option when you are verifying a specific person's responses, looking for missing information, or reviewing form submissions one by one. Take a moment to choose the view that matches your goal, and you will be able to check answers quickly and accurately. And that is all there is to it.